guys, welcome back. This is Doug from Car Connection. We're going to continue on with this saga of the Honda Civic Hatchback. Last week we got it painted and got it all ready, and we're going to show the video of when it was ready to be assembled, and we're going to go from there and show the vehicle all done and let you see how it turned out. Let's see what happens. Hey guys, here we are with the Honda Civic Hatchback we painted last week. We're going to take a look at it and see how everything turned out. And we have a little bit of finish up work, have to put some tires on it and do the final cleanup, but the car turned out pretty good. Let's give it a real quick check out. Hey guys, thanks for coming to check us out again. Hope you liked the video of the car and seeing it as we were finishing it up and it's all assembled. We'll do some more videos for you later this week, and thanks again for tuning in.